The Queen receives a copy of our newspaper every day, and I've always been told when I started here, if something goes wrong, I'll have to explain to the Queen why she didn't get her copy. Dads teaching their children about it, growing up with it, horse racing. It's in our blood. Racing Post is a content provider where most people would see it as a newspaper. There was different types of endpoint security in the business, which I wasn't too happy about because they weren't centrally managed. There was different versions of it, just a big nightmare. We've had issues with previous vendor where we had some attacks and machines got infected and started spreading. The thing that annoys me about antiviruses is the constant updates to files. People often ask me, why don't I use the built-in Windows Microsoft Defender one? Well, it's not always that great, and I've seen failings on that. They found a site that did a test for 29 different types of ransomware. And they put SentinelOne against our previous vendor. And guess what? Previous vendor picked up one of the attacks. SentinelOne picked up 28 out of 29. That was it. It was sold for everybody. We're going SentinelOne. My team was concerned about rollout. How are we going to deploy this? How much work is this going to be? Nice and simple, quick. Easiest ever to deploy.
The ability to have a miniature SOC on every endpoint is fantastic because it will be able to handle 99% of all your situations, leaving you to deal with only the edge cases, which are always going to require human oversight.
Benefits to the business. The first one was we noticed a difference in the overhead to the endpoints. It was much lower. The second one was we no longer were receiving any tickets from end users to the help desk. Third one was my security team is now more focused on where did the threat come from rather than fixing things afterwards because of the destruction, because SentinelOne picks it up, deals with it, takes the machine off the network and sorts it. Another benefit from SentinelOne was the benefit we saw of having EPP and EDR in one deployment. It's become the background for the user. There's no more noise for them. They can just carry on. And if I can do that with all my security products in the business, that will be a win for me, but the business is protected.